Infor Factory Track for CSI, Job Material Return. Job Material Return Parameters. Factory Track has several shop floor job material return parameters to control the validations, displayed fields and processing options that are permitted as part of the job material return process. By clicking on the Label Printing Parameters button, the option to include printing labels as part of the process can be defined. Enabling the Print Labels feature results in the label printing form being displayed after successful processing of the job material return transaction. For this training, we've enabled these parameters to show where those fields appear and the validations that occur in the transaction steps. To start the job material return processes, from the Factory Track Shop Floor's Work Center navigation homepage, click on the Material Category Group menu. Then click on the Job Material Return icon. Note that the order of the features within the Material menu is configurable. To return job materials from a job operation back into inventory, the Shop Floor Job Material Return form is used. Enter or select from drop-down a job number. Enter or select from drop-down a suffix. Enter or select from drop-down an operation. Enter the return quantity of the material. Then enter or select from drop-down the unit of measure associated to the return quantity. Enter or select from drop-down the material you are returning and the warehouse ID to which the material is to be returned. Enter or select from drop-down the location to which the material is to be returned. This can be defaulted using the default receiving location on the transaction set maintenance form. This is enabled for entry only if the allow location change parameter is enabled. Optionally, you can enter a document number to tie transactions together. Factory Track then displays information about the selected job, operation and material on the Details tab. If your job and/or material is serial and/or lot controlled, the Lot Serial tab is available for selection and enables the fields required for entry. Based on the FDA lot traceability implemented parameter setting, the transaction validates the lot issued for the job suffix operation and gets the total net quantity expressed in the specified unit of measure. Enter or select from drop-down of pre-assigned lot IDs for your material. If the Confirm Lot parameter is enabled, re-enter the lot ID in the Confirm Lot field. Enter or select from drop-down of pre-assigned job lot IDs to which to assign the material. The job lot number tracks the items assembled from the material. Enter or select from drop-down of pre-assigned job serial numbers to assign the material. The job serial number tracks the item assembled from the material. If your material item is serial tracked, the Unassigned Serial Numbers field is populated with the number of items requiring assignment. Click on the Serial Assignment icon. Factory Track then displays the serial number assignment form. Enter or scan the serial number for the Serial Entry field, or select serial numbers from the serial grid for pre-assigned serial numbers. Continue until you have no remaining unassigned serials. Then click on the Save button to return to the Job Material Return form. The Unassigned Serial Number field now reflects 0 as well. Click on the Submit button to process the transaction, or to close the form without returning material, click on the Close button. Note that if the Print Labels parameter has been selected, the label printing form will be displayed after processing the transaction.